Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making this easy fried chicken and wings recipe. If you're interested in seeing how it's done, then keep on watching. So here I have my freshly washed wings. I washed them with some lime and vinegar. I will be using a mixture of flats and drums. Next, I am going to season my wings. I will be using some onion powder, garlic powder, red crushed pepper, paprika, and some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. Next, I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. I promise you guys, it is not hot. Next, I will be using about 3 tablespoons of mustard. I will be using this as a binder. Next, I am going to mix well until everything is evenly distributed. Then, I am going to allow it to marinate for about 1 to 3 hours before frying. So guys, the next step is to prepare the coating for the wings, and to do this I will be using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of cornstarch if you want it to be crunchy, and I will be using the same seasons that I used earlier for the chicken. I am going to mix that well. I am coating the wings in the flour mixture, and I will be repeating the process until it's all done. Next, I am going to allow the coated chicken to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before frying. Next, to begin the frying process, I am going to add the wings to the hot oil, and I am going to allow that to fry on medium to high heat for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. So guys, after 10 minutes, this is how the wings are looking. They are golden brown. They tasted so delicious and so crunchy. So guys, after removing them from the pot, I place them on a cooling rack and I allow them to cool and drain any excess oil for about 1 to 3 minutes. And there you have it guys, some easy fried chicken wings. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting on? I know you're watching. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye guys.